What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the call screen on iPhone running iOS 17 or later. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. For years, Apple has stuck to the plain old matte screen layout for call screens. However, with iOS 17, they introduced the flexibility to customize call screens for contacts. iOS 17 now provides you with a range of functions with which you can customize your call screens, such as by applying some emojis or adding custom photos of that contact. To change the call screen on your iPhone, open up your contacts list. Make sure the contact whose call screen you want to change is saved in your contacts list, since you won't be able to customize the call screen otherwise. Choose the contact from your contact list and then tap on Contact, Photo and Poster. A customization window will open up. Under Choose Your Poster, you have 4 different options to change your call screen: Camera, Photos, Memoji and Monogram. Camera will essentially capture a moment and apply the captured shot to your contact's call screen. Photos is basically your photos library, where you can select any picture to apply to your contact's call screen. Memoji is a customized avatar you can create to mimic your contact's personality and mood. Lastly, Monogram is your default call screen layout, but with different colors and text options. Choose the one that you like the best and take your time tinkering with customization tools until you achieve the perfect call screen for your chosen contact. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.